Hello and welcome everyone. Today's topic is the one that many of you have asked about. What to do if your UK visa application is refused. My name is Hemang Lahiru and let's dive into the steps you can take if you're faced with a UK visa refusal. First and foremost, it's important to understand that visa refusals can be disheartening, but they're not the end of the road. Each refusal comes with a specific reasons, and addressing them is a key to moving forward. If you believe there's been a mistake or misunderstanding, you can request an administrative review of the decision. This allows a fresh pair of eyes to re-evaluate your application. Be sure to act promptly, as there's usually a time limit for this process. Typically, applicants have 14 days to submit an administrative review if they're within the UK and their application is refused, or the review petition is to be submitted within 28 days of the receipt of the outcome. Consider seeking advice from immigration professionals or advisors who are experienced in visa matters. They can provide you with insights, review your case, and guide you on the best course of action. Sometimes a fresh perspective can make all the difference. Another option is to address the issues outlined in the refusal and reapply. Ensure you have a solid understanding of the reasons for the initial refusal and have taken steps to rectify that in your new application. If your refusal was due to insufficient documentation, gather any missing or additional documentations which are required to make your case stronger by providing a comprehensive evidence that will support your eligibility. Use a refusal as a learning opportunity. Understand the reasons behind it and take steps to prevent similar issues in your future applications. The knowledge gained can be invaluable in navigating the UK visa process. That wraps up our guide on what to do if your UK visa application is refused. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more immigration insights, and hit the notification bell. Remember, setbacks can be stepping stones to success. Until next time, stay resilient, stay informed, and may your visa journey be smoother from here on. Thank you for watching.